Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I am going to share a really quick unboxing with you. This just arrived and I have to go out for an outing with my daughter in a few minutes, but I wanted to quickly unbox this. Yes, this is yet another unboxing from the 18B collection that I have been obsessed with. It's another SLG to match my vanity case. I apologize if this is getting repetitive. Feel free to not watch if you're not interested in this collection. I totally understand that. But for those of you who are interested in it or who love it as much as I do, I wanted to share this with you. I mean, not that I need to justify it, but I just love this collection, and I just feel like Chanel doesn't, it's not every day that they come out with a collection or color that I love this much. So I really wanted to get my hands on this particular item. So I'm going to unbox it and then talk a little more, but it even came with the shopping bag, which is great. And camellia. I'm so excited to see this one. Okay, so there's the care booklet and the dust bag. And here is, oh my gosh, it is so cute. This is the Zippy coin purse. Again, in the 18B filigree. The dark turquoise lambskin with, grained lambskin with rainbow hardware. And so this will match my vanity case, my large snap card holder, and the flat card holder. So this is my fourth item from this collection. I just love it. The Zippy card holders are my favorite SLG that Chanel makes. I have two other ones at the moment. I have a rose gold one and a so black one, but both of those are the classic. One's quilted, one's chevron, but this one, I've never had one in the filigree. I think this is new in the filigree style. It's just so cute. Okay, let's open it up and let's take out the authenticity card. So it's a 26 series. And it is made in Italy, and it's just stuffed with tissue right now. I'm going to leave that there for now. Oh my gosh, it is so cute. I love it. I am going to make this quick because, like I said, I do need to go. But thank you so much for watching. I was thinking about doing a video just showing all of my items from this collection. If for anyone who's interested, having them all in one video, if you'd be interested in seeing that, please let me know. And if you like this type of video, please consider subscribing and also following me on Instagram. My handle there is FashionJunkie33. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day.